A bill to withdraw the three controversial farm laws has been cleared by the Modi cabinet. This is what sources have indicated to NDTV. Last week, Prime Minister Modi, in a stunning U-turn, had announced a cancellation of the three agricultural laws and urged protesting farmers to return to their homes. The farmers have been protesting at Delhi's borders for almost a year. Rakesh Tikait, the top farmer leader, said the protest would wait till the farm laws were formally repealed in the winter session of Parliament that begins on the 29th of November. Let's listen in to what Anurag Thakur said at the cabinet briefing.
जैसा आपको ज्ञात है कि 19 तारीख को माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने गुरुपुरब के अवसर पर देश को संबोधित करते हुए ये घोषणा की थी कि तीनों कृषि कानून वापस लिए जाएंगे और उसके बाद आज जब कैबिनेट की बैठक हुई तो उसमें इन सभी औपचारिकताओं को पूरा करके कैबिनेट ने तीनों बिल वापस लेने का जो औपचारिकता है उसको पूरा किया है.
Somebody asked you on the other demands, but I'm specifically asking you on the issue of legalizing MSP. You said you will start the procedure for repealing the laws, but will the government also bring in a bill for legalizing or giving the legal assurance of MSP? That seems to be the prime demand right now.
Let me just say one thing. On 19th, Prime Minister announced, and today we fulfilled the formalities, and at the same time, as I said, in the upcoming winter session, the priority will be to take these bills and repeal them at the earliest.
It has cleared the bill to withdraw the three controversial farm laws. What more can you tell us? Sunil, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
The bill to repeal the three farm laws has been given the cabinet nod. What more can you tell us?
Well, the minister explaining the
rationale saying that the Prime Minister's commitment after he made that announcement on 19th has been fulfilled. We will now move towards bringing it in Parliament at the earliest. The minister remains silent on core issues of the MSP committee, saying that we will deal with that. The first step, the first promise made by the Prime Minister has to be respected, and that's why we have cleared it immediately in the first cabinet meeting, and the MSP issues and other issues will be discussed. Having said that, the other aspect in terms of the contours of the bill, it will not have retrospective, it will be prospective. Wherever there have been cases pending, say it in the Supreme Court, in the High Court, those matters will continue, even though technically with the withdrawal it becomes now infructus. The other aspect, of course, wherever boards were constituted, several state governments had implemented it in the 6 months before it was stayed. Those decisions will remain, but wherever the boards have been started and offices have been constituted, they will now stand dissolved. That's the aspect in terms of the farm laws. As well as, of course, for the poorest of the poor, the COVID pandemic had ensured that certain food grains would be given to them for the needy. That now will be extended from December to March this year. Clearly, elections around the corner. Nobody wants to withdraw schemes at this stage. This is something that the government and the cabinet decided in today's meeting.
All right, Sunil, thanks very much for joining us with the very latest. When a reporter there asked a question to Anurag Thakur on the issue of MSP, he in fact said that on the 19th, the Prime Minister announced a repeal. Today was a mere formality. In the upcoming session, the priority will be to repeal these bills at the very earliest. No clarity yet on the MSP clause. We'll track that story very closely.